Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, this is the part number 3 of online money making. And in this video, we are going to talk about a site called Vedantu. This is an online platform where you can make some cash. What they do is they offer online tuition services to who are studying, of course. So they start from the primary school till the higher secondary. So these are your potential students who will appear in front of you for online tuition. You can take tuition according to your convenience. They give you time options and stuff like that. Later on in this video, I will take you through the screen record of Vedantu signing up process, so it will be more clear to you. Now, before you register to the website, you should make sure that you have a good internet connection, a working PC or laptop, and a good CV to present in front of them. So these are all the prerequisites what you need for registering into the site. So let us begin our process with the registering. Follow me. This is what the website of Vedantu looks like. This is where you are registering for the to become as a teacher. Now what you need to do is you need to click on apply now, and it will take you to a form. So these are the information that you really need to put in: your name, your email address, blah blah blah, etc etc. Specialization you can take, what education you have, years of experience in teaching, that is up to you to take. I don't know what your experience is, so please make sure that you take. So this is where the thing happens. Take the subject which you know better, because otherwise it will be a problem. The students will keep on asking questions and stuff like that, then this will be pretty much crazy. So secondary subjects, if you want to add some secondary subjects, you can do that, and pretty much you can select the board, which board you prefer to do. Yeah, this is where the trick happens. You can set custom availability here on weekdays, hours per day. So how much hour you can engage in tuition on weekdays, weekends, how much. So even you can set the available timings also as per your convenience, and please make sure once you are selected, please make sure that you will be available during this time. Type of internet connection, yes, you need a screenshot of your internet speed. I will make sure that I will post a link to test your internet speed, and I hope everyone is aware of how to make screenshots. So you can take a screenshot and upload it over here. Then finally your resume. So this is what the first step looks like. Later on, once you have finished the first step, they will send you an email asking you to provide with a live class. Provide with them a live class. This is where you are taking a sample lesson or a sample session and upload it to them for further screening. Then only you will be completely enrolled into the site. This is an Indian site, and I believe that they are doing great job, and of course from the services that they offer, it is awesome. So this is another option or another area where you can earn something. If you have any doubts or if you want to have some assistance, please comment on this video, and we will make sure that we will review that and we will see to it. Thank you.